Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store using MOTOROLA Defy. So in order to do this, click on the search button. Here we can try finding Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for right here, so let's fix that. Here we need to press on our profile icon, move to the settings, go for the family, parental controls, and here there's two ways you can fix that. First one is to disable parental controls entirely, enter your PIN and then click OK. Next is go for the apps and games, enter your PIN, click OK. And here you can increase the PG to at least 18, click OK, save. Now let's go back. We can try finding Call of Duty again. If it doesn't show up, make sure that you're in For You tab, and let's try finding it again. And here it is. We can install it, and it should download without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.